Hey guys, welcome once again to Traders Motivation, and today we're going to do a quick market review of the currency market, a few currency pairs, take a look at some active trades that I'm in at the moment, show you my findings and thoughts behind them. I'm going to place a few orders based on what price is doing at this moment in time, and just a quick disclaimer, anything that I talk about today should not be construed as financial advice. Excuse me. Any trades that you take based on what I'm talking about, you do so at your own discretion. Alright guys, so in front of us now we've got the New Zealand dollar US dollar daily chart. Yesterday, as you will have seen, or maybe not have seen, that the US Federal Bank decided to raise their rates from 0.75% to 1%. Now, I'm not necessarily a fundamental trader. I find that the charts and the technicalities of trading kind of feed into what the fundamentals are doing anyway. Somebody like myself who's a retail trader will never be able to fathom or place trades based on fundamental news releases. So I just look at what the charts are doing and make trade decisions based off that. So as the rate decision came out, as you can see on the New Zealand dollar US dollar, where I have an active trade, price came up, shot up, which shows that the US dollar lost a lot of strength. However, it came up to this lovely little area here. Now, if we take that down to the 4-hour chart and move across, this little choppy zone here is a lovely little supply area. So we came down, consolidated, came down, and now we've come back up and tested this consolidation zone again. That's the basic fundamentals of my strategies. I wait for price to return to these consolidation areas and place trades in the direction in which the consolidation area broke. So price came up, I took shorts up here, I've already taken profit on those, and I've also got an active trade there at the moment in time. We're in quite a severe downtrend at this moment in time, so I'm playing the short probably back down to these levels here at 6.952 on the New Zealand dollar US dollar. So I'm going to wait for that to play out. My stops are above this high here at 7051, so we're about a 1-to-1 on that risk reward ratio. But when I was placing shorts up here, my stop was up here and my take profit was down here, so I had a far better risk reward ratio on that one. So that's the New Zealand dollar US dollar. We'll have a look at USD Swiss franc. I did take a long on this earlier on this morning, which I've already taken profit on, just a quick scalp of about 10 to 15 pips. I can see it probably going a little bit higher today. This big bearish candle here has left a lovely little zone to take shorts from if we come back up to the 1.0072 area. But it stops above there and play it back down to these levels down here at bang on 100. So that's the US dollar Swiss franc. We'll have a look at cable, Gbpusd. Again, it played this zone beautifully. That candle there basically contained a hell of a lot, this price area here contained a hell of a lot of sell orders based on this move down here. So when we came up and tested, yes, we did peak up just above it, but obviously a lot of sell orders or short orders took price back down to these levels here. So that's cable at this moment in time. There's no active trades. If we come back up to this level here at 12362, 12361, around that area I'll be taking a short again, playing down the sell orders that are probably in this area. If we come back down to these levels here, I'll be taking a long just to pick up 10-15 pips, see what happens. So that's cable. Okay, we'll do one more. We'll have a look at Euro USD. This big green candle here is obviously the rate decision. It did have another bullish move up after that, but now it came down, consolidated, and it's making a bit of a move down. I'll place long orders around the 1.0640 area. If we take that up to the higher frame on the daily, I'll be taking shorts probably. Well, I think the shorts have gone now. If we do come up to this area again, we're highly likely to break up to probably at 1.1021. So that's Euro USD. If you've got any questions, please leave them in comments. I am going to be doing a question and answer video that I've posted on Instagram on my blog, which is Traders Motivation blogger site. I'll get the address for that shortly. I'm also on Twitter, and I'm also on Facebook at Traders Daily Motivation. So please find me, please leave me a comment, leave me any questions, and I'm going to be doing a video answering all those questions based on my trading strategy if you want to know about that, any experiences I've had in the market, anything you want to clarify technically. I'm more than happy to get involved. I'm also going to be doing a video probably next week, the week after, where I talk about how I trade full-time. Well, I trade full-time, but I also work part-time, and how I juggle and how I manage to master working a part-time job and also trading full-time at the same time. That also applies to people working full-time as well. It can be done. I have done it, and I'll show you the tricks and tips behind how to do it profitably. Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. Like I say, please subscribe. Please take a look at my other videos where I go into a bit more detail on technical aspects of the Oanda FX trade platform if you're new to that, or if you want to know how to draw trend lines, how to use the RSI indicator. It's all there down below. I also show how you can use compound interest to turn a small amount of money into a large amount of money within a specific time frame. If that's what you want to have a look at, please take a look and leave me a comment. Alright guys, so best of luck in the market. Those are my trades that I've got today, keeping an eye on what the market's doing, and best of luck. Bye for now.